Speaking of math, are Asians really better than Caucasians in math? There's no existing tangible measurement as a fair justification. However, there is a persuasive and interesting argument that explains why Asians are good at math. It is found in language, which is the best language for practicing math. If you are thinking of English, you are wrong. Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Turkish use simpler vocabulary in numbers and express math concepts more clearly than English, making it easier for small children to learn counting and arithmetic, research shows. Number vocabularies in Asian languages are pronounced in single syllables, whereas most English words are multiple syllables with various accents, such as 7 in English versus 七 in Chinese. Moreover, Chinese has just 10 number vocabularies, while English has more than 24 distinctive words for numbers. The trouble really starts at 11. English has a unique word for this number, while Chinese, as well as Japanese and Korean, uses the vocabulary that can be translated as 10-1, spoken with the 10 first. That makes it easier to understand the place value of the number, which also clearly expresses that the number is based on the unit system of 10. The research also shows that English words for numbers over 10 don't label place value as clearly, and the number vocabularies for the teens, such as 17, reverse the order of the ones and teens, making it easy for children to confuse, say, 17 with 71. When doing multi-digit addition and subtraction, children working with English number vocabularies have a harder time understanding that two-digit numbers are made up of tens and ones, making it more difficult to avoid errors. These may seem like small issues, but the additional mental steps cause more errors and drain working memory capacity, explains Dr. Karen Fusen, a professor of education and social policy school at Northwestern University. In mathematics, one concept builds on another, so by the time the students in the U.S. reach high school, they only rank 30th place on international achievement exams, comparing with students from 65 nations with different education systems, with Chinese and Korean students leading the world. Board games can offset some of the disadvantages of speaking English, only if played in a specific way. Some kindergartners who played a board game with the numbers 1 through 100, lined up in straight rows of 10, have improved their performance at identifying numbers by placing numbers on a number line. Just drawing a board game on paper or cardboard and playing it with a preschooler a few times can firm up their counting skills, commented Dr. Alita Lasky, an assistant professor of applied and developmental psychology at Boston College.